Abraham. Say what's up, America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
How do you give your heart to something only you embrace? How do you put your mind to something that you love? When you were growing up, everyone told you that you were good enough. Good enough will work for me instead of love. You hurt me deep, broke my trust and watched me bleed. Ignore my places, squash my dreams. Everything hiding underneath is coming out for you to see. The screens get pitted down beneath the broken spirit. I'm finally free. For something, I won't go down without a fight. No, I won't die for nothing. You held me under too long.